When you build a house, you start by laying a strong foundation. When you paint a room, you start by preparing the space. And so it is with your real estate sales career. My name is Stacy Sanseverino. I'm an 18-year real estate sales veteran and a 21-year landlord in Pennsylvania. I know what it is like to be a busy agent who's trying to cobble together an education so she can serve her clients well and achieve her goals. You don't have time to attend all your broker's classes. And even if you did have the time, by the time you needed the information, you might not remember what you don't know. Or worse yet, it's 7 o'clock, you're writing an agreement of sale, which is great, right? But your mentor is nowhere to be found. And that is even if you have a mentor and you can't get your questions answered. The 3 virtual boot camps that are offered by agentuniversitybystacy.com are meant to fill that void for you. We have one boot camp that serves Pennsylvania agents, one boot camp that serves Delaware agents, and a third boot camp that serves any agent in any state. Each of the 3 boot camps is about 14 weeks, and every week lessons will be delivered to your email box for you to complete on your own time. Each lesson has videos, downloads, quizzes, and real-to-life assignments so that you can put your knowledge to the test before you put it into practice on your client. During our 57-minute weekly online masterminds, you will have the opportunity to ask questions about your assignments, any of the content, or any real-life situation you may be facing. 57 minutes, you ask? Well, did you know that if you lay 57 dominoes, each that is 50% bigger than the one in front of it, it only takes 57 to reach the moon? And so it is with agentuniversitybystacy.com. The nuggets may seem small when you start, and as you build and you complete your weekly lessons, you will see by the end of your bootcamp experience the vast difference between where you started and where you landed. And since you have 6 months to complete your bootcamp experience and the weekly masterminds are recorded, you'll be able to keep up even if you go at a slower pace. And when you're ready to use the materials in real life, like when you're writing that offer at 7 p.m., you can use the Google-like search bar within the program to find the answers that you need quickly. So if you're looking to boost your confidence, prospecting, and negotiation skills, let's lay a proper foundation together with any of our 3 boot camps from Agent University by Stacy. In our Clients and Contracts Bootcamp, one for Pennsylvania and one for Delaware, we will help you take your clients from consultation to the closing table. And in our 3rd bootcamp, we will help you proactively prospect from the people that you already know in a non-salesy way. Our bootcamps come with a 10 or 21-day free trial. So if by the end of that time you feel like this is not for you, you can feel free to just cancel. What do you have to lose? So sign up today and we can get your sales career on its way to the moon the next business day.